Utang lang ako ng ano eh.
Kabo, ano dala niya?
E95.
E95, ang bagal niyan. Nandito pa si Parafon, Conway dala. Hala.
4v1. I think.
Oh, 4v1 nga. Kaya, tignan ko. Oo, 4v1. Feng, Chris, medyo risky dyan, ha?
Roger that.
Yes. Ayun, Kabo.
Saan? Mark mo nga, para maano ko yung...
Tayo umandar.
What?
Nag-bounce. Ano, Kabo.
Open fire.
Open fire.
Enemy vehicle damaged.
Ano ko muna tong... Ipot-work muna ko tong accuracy nito.
Right through their armor.
Putting my accuracy into good use.
Wait.
Was not penetrated.
Oh, what? Come on.
Reloading.
Ha? May lupa pala doon.
Oh.
That's a bullseye.
Better not die yet.
We need support.
Kabo, here I come.
He's coming.
Hindi pa naka-alis sa spawn si Kabo.
Roger that. Attack. We need support.
Mabilis yan eh, sa sobrang bilis.
Stop.
Ay!
Friendly.
Na! Yag Tiger, what the hell? Let me get out.
This is so sad to see.
Open fire.
Niram ko.
Sobrang. Target eliminated. Let's find another. Two shots.
Yapi.
Two
Nice
shots.
one.
Follow me.
Oh, di nag-pen.
Not penetrated.
Follow who?
Reloading bro.
Parafon.
May bot man nagsasabi ng follow
Hindi, si
me?
Parafon yun. May bot.
Hindi si Parapon ba yan?
Oo, Parafon player yun.
Roger that. Enemy vehicle
Nice
damaged.
scouting. Nice scouting.
Open fire. That's a bullseye.
Open fire! Would you like a cup of tea, sir?
Enemy taken out.
Anyone? Where's that?
Sige, Feng.
Kunin mo, Feng. Kunin, Feng.
Thank you.
Kunin mo, Feng.
Para kuha mo yung full damage ng clip mo.
Vehicle destroyed. They found us.
Na-shoot siya sa damage eh.
Roger that.
Uy, 5-2 na pala assist ko.
Siyempre, wala ako ng ano eh.
Attack.
Kung nagdigulong din ako, nakakuha ko na yan.
Shit. Ako nag counter sa'yo pupunta yung assist.
Namatay!
Atay.
Open fire.
Seb, tingnan mo ako. Feng, alis ka na lang dyan, bro. Baka madali ka pa dyan.
Nagkakam. Kaya mo yan.
Sige.
Pull
Pupunta
ka pa eh.
Seb, tingnan mo ako.
Okay. For the practice. Practice first damage.
Tingnan mo ako, Seb.
Nagkakap ka ba?
Oo. Tingnan mo ano ginagawa ko.
Nag-ikot-ikot lang. na ako
You
sa
spin my head round and round.
Like
Ramen.
Dito lang ako sa
4.6K.